All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Abundance Treasure from the outside, moving up by the rally's new chapter. Ruby Gentry rushing up on the farther outside. New chapter, Ruby Gentry, Abundance Treasure, JST down on the inside is Living for Love. The goose favorite racing from the outside, Tiago, Reporter, and Invincible Ink. Passing the half-mile post, two runners fighting it out for the lead. Ruby Gentry ahead by the rally's new chapter. And racing in third by some 5 lengths is Living for Love, Abundance Treasure. Another far turn, Ruby Gentry by ahead. New chapter is running by the rail. And Living for Love is racing in third by some 2 lengths, Abundance Treasure. JST by the rail's Tiago as they race the final corner. Ruby Gentry by a length and a half. New chapter, Living for Love is on the outside by the rail's Abundance Treasure. JST in the middle. And nearing the finish line, it's now Living for Love, Abundance Treasure, JST, Ruby Gentry, Tiago. And nearing the finish line, number 5, Living for Love. Second, Abundance Treasure, JST. Number 2, Tiago. And number 7, Douglas Favorite. Then comes Reporter and Ruby Gentry.